Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I just want to talk a bit about some things I considered myself before I started stacking, and I believe everyone should have some kind of plan and figure these things out before they start stacking. And if you like fun videos on gold and silver, please like, share, subscribe. I do upload videos basically every single morning, and they're pretty much all premieres, so you can come hang out with everyone. It's always a great group of people to come hang out with. Stay tuned for the 500 subscriber giveaway as well. There will be a lot of fun pieces in that, and it's not too far away, so you're gonna want to be subbed and waiting for that. It's free silver. When I first started stacking, I wanted to get a plan going. I wanted to get some kind of idea, some kind of vision on where this is gonna take me, how I'm going to store it, things like that. What the whole point of buying the precious metals is. Is it FOMO? Are you scared that you're going to miss out? Or are you seeing the story of our monetary system and basically seeing it, oh wow, this is going to lead to high rates of inflation, this just cannot last forever, all that kind of stuff. And for me, I just don't believe that fear of missing out is a good reason to act on anything. I like to act on logic, act on reason. And just because you decide that stacking is a good decision, you might want to figure out what you want to do with gold, silver, what you're going to stack, how much of each you're going to stack, if you're going to stack both. There's a bit more to think about rather than do I buy gold or silver at the start. Are you gonna buy slowly over time, or are you just gonna buy one bulk amount right here and there? These are things to think about. What kind of products do you want to stack? I just did a video on coins, bars, rounds. Oh, there is constitutional and everything too. I was sticking to just Bullion really in that video, but I'll put a link down below for that. And you also want to know, where are you going to keep it? Are you going to keep it at home? If you are going to keep it at home, where are you going to keep it? I did another video on that, so go check that one out. But if you aren't going to keep it at home, are you going to keep it in your country? Are you going to keep it in a bank? Are you going to keep it in a vaulting service? Are you going to keep it? I wouldn't recommend leaving with friends and everything like that. I have family that knows I stack, but I keep it all within the family, and many things you can't hide from your siblings, your parents. Sometimes you couldn't have even gotten into it without them knowing to begin with. Are you gonna allow people to know that you're stacking? That's another thing too. Are you gonna be anonymous? I like to be anonymous. I don't like my friends or anything like that knowing what I have, where I have it, why I have it. I typically don't like people knowing about my finances, all that kind of stuff. That's what I'm not going to be, that's partly why I don't really plan on doing a full stack video. That's just not really part of the plan for me. I know I've been asked to do it a few times, but it's just not a part of the plan. I do also want to bring up another thing, or like, how much do you understand the difference in size and costs and everything between gold and silver? Do you want to play the ratio game? Are you gonna collect and stack? Are you just gonna stack? Are you just gonna collect? And stack accordingly to what the plan is. What is the whole purpose of your stack? Is it to hedge against inflation? Is it to enrich your retirement? Is it to pass down to your children? Is it nothing but insurance? It's a lot to think about. Is it a mixture of a couple of them? That right there though, I think is the most important, knowing the purpose of why you're stacking, because you can't start choosing what products, how much you're going to stack of each, things like that, unless you actually know the purpose of why you're doing it. The plan you could always change, but the purpose, I really do believe you need to have that set. You also might want to consider, are you going to be going, what kind of coins are you going for and why? Are you going for coins, bars, rounds, as I've already mentioned? What kind of rounds you go for, what kind of coins you go for, what kind of bars? Are you buying physical? That's another thing that's way overlooked. A lot of us in the stacking community, we just automatically think, oh, gold and silver, it's actually gold and silver. But for people who aren't stacking a whole lot, you might be savvy investors, things like that come in and start stacking all of a sudden one day. They need to have some kind of plan together, they need to have some kind of idea, they need to have some kind of strategy on is it going to be physical? Is it going to be derivatives? Is it going to be paper? Is it going to be... Are you trading the gold and silver? Are you stacking it? What's your time frame? There's a lot to consider before you start stacking. I know it might seem overwhelming asking all these questions, but it's really not that hard to come up. Once you have your purpose of why you're stacking, everything starts to come together and everything makes sense. And I also want to do that giveaway now. Call the winner for that. It is for people who stay to the end of my videos. So let's go over to the computer and go pick that winner now. So I'll see you there. Alright, let's pick the winner now. As I said, I'll do put it on a wheel here. And yeah. Alright, Silver Scorpion, thanks for playing, thanks for watching, but you are off the wheel. So, next one off the wheel would be Slow Steady. I appreciate you watching till the end. I really do appreciate it. And now, there's way more comments than this, but most people were not paying attention and following the rules. Anity, I am going to be sending you something coming up here pretty soon when I get the new stickers made, so don't feel like you're going to be missing out on anything. And the next one off here, Jonathan Reese. Now he's been subscribed to me for quite a while, so I don't want to see him go. Supporting everyone in the community. Not the pirate. My friend. Sorry, I have to kick you off. Aw, Silver Sea Captain. I appreciate all the support. It's been very fun hanging out with you in all the premieres. I do enjoy it. Cheshire Keith. Oh no. Well, that's too bad. I always enjoy hanging out with you two at the premieres. And Steeler Stacker. Fun channel. I'm sure you guys would enjoy going to check him out. Oh, who's it gonna be? Freedom Stacker. Sorry, my friend. Now, I know all of these people watch all my videos to the end, so I wish they could all win. And now, both of you here, send me an email. It's all good, but let's see who gets the BU dollar here. Silver City Stacker. This is the second silver dollar you've won from me. That is awesome. You're getting some good luck here. That's crazy. And I appreciate everything. I really do. So, I just want to say thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Stay positive. See you next time. And if you weren't entered into this one, you didn't follow the directions, you didn't watch the Christmas video I put out, and all the way to the end where it says you gotta say Merry Christmas, you gotta say something nice about the kookaburra Anna T sent me. And you also have to say something nice about a fabulous member of the community, Anna T. That would be why you didn't make it, but yeah, go check out Anna T once again. Her channel is awesome. I'm sure you guys will enjoy. One of my favorite channels on YouTube. It very well could be my favorite. I don't know. I haven't really thought about it, but definitely one of my best friends. So yeah, go check out her channel. I'm sure you guys will enjoy. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all the support. And thanks for sticking to the end. Stay positive. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.